Hello all, we welcome you to the Amarnath Yatra. Now for the Amarnath Yatra, सबसे पहले we take a flight towards Srinagar and from Srinagar you reach Pahalgam. Now Pahalgam is a very touristy place and you get beautiful resorts to stay there. तो ये सब एक छोटा सा resort प्राची ने बनाया है. If you can see एक छोटा सा hall है जिसमें coffee table है and then there's a tissue paper box, then there's a dining table with TVs. There's a small sitting area where you can have coffee, and inside there's a kitchen where you can see freshly cut watermelons. There's a wash basin there. There's tea cooking inside. There's a small washroom here और एक छोटा सा bedroom for you all to relax. This is all made by Prachi herself. The Pahalgam resort. So now from Pahalgam हम लोग जाते हैं. Now the whole story of Amarnath is that Lord Shiv wanted to attain immortality. उनको अमर बनना था. So he wanted that his story should not be heard by anyone else except Parvati ji. Only Parvati ji should know the whole story of immortality. तो उनके जो सबसे प्यारे हैं नंदी बैल, उन्होंने उनको पहलगाम में ही छोड़ दिया था. तो एक्चुअली पहलगाम was originally called as बैलगाम, बट अभी पहलगाम बुलाते हैं हम उन्हें. The second from पहलगाम हम जाते हैं towards चंदनवाड़ी which is around 16 kilometers. यहाँ this is till here you can go by car. So यहाँ तक के कार अलाउड है. इसके आगे you have to do the entire journey by foot or on horse. Now चंदनवाड़ी why is it called? क्योंकि शिव भगवान के सर के ऊपर का जो चांद है उन्होंने यहाँ पे उनको छोड़ा था. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे एक आर्मी के टेंट्स है, नॉर्मल टेंट्स भी बहुत सारे हैं रहने के लिए. एंड दिस इज़ द बेस कैम्प. यहाँ से द नेक्स्ट डे we start off towards Pisu Top. Now why is it called Pisu Top? Because it is really very steep and slippery, and we did this whole journey by pony only because it was quite steep. And
3 kilometers.
this is just a 3 kilometer stretch but quite difficult. So then you get down towards, after Pisu Top there is a spot called as Zanji. तो शिव भगवान के गले के स्नेक है शेषनाग जी, उन्होंने उनको ये शेषनाग लेक में डाला था. इफ यू कैन सी शेषनाग हियर, यू कैन सी अ स्मॉल मनी टू on top of शेषनाग. Now it is said that on a full moon night, if you are lucky, वो मनी शेषनाग मनी you can see. This is me and this is my horse who was named as Raju. I had a big fall from him but luckily everything was safe. So यहाँ से this is the highest stop. Mahaguna stop is the highest stop. It's at 14,000 feet. It is the highest stop in the whole journey. It is called as Mahaguna stop क्योंकि उनके बेटे गणपति जी को उन्होंने यहाँ पे रखा था, गणपति बप्पा. So then यहाँ से then when you go down, then now there throughout the journey there are many langars for people to have food, but the most famous and the most biggest langar is seen at Posh Patri, which is called as Delhi Bhandara. वहाँ पे एटलीस्ट 150 आइटम्स एवरी डे बनते हैं, राइट फ्रॉम मोमोज टू पिज़्ज़ा टू छोले भटूरे, एवरीथिंग इज़ देयर एंड इट इज़ ऑल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. वी हैव मेड स्मॉल कचोरी, देयर इज कीवी, देयर इज वाटरमेलन, देयर आर पीचेस, देन देयर इज रवे का लड्डू ऑल्सो देयर. Then now we had met the owner also of the Bandara, who said कि every day they used to keep a big ball of pickle, of sweet pickle, murabba, so that पीछे जाके वो रखते थे, so that वहाँ पे भालू आके, बैर आके वो खा के जाते थे. And till now no yatri was, the whole yatra was never disrupted by a bear basically. So all thanks to that. So then from Mahaguna stop, then you reach Poshpatri, then you finally reach to Panchatarni. Why is it called Panchatarni? Because the 5 elements that make a human being is air, sky, water, earth and fire. God gave up all those things so that he wanted to become something above a human being. So you can see a helipad there. There are various helicopters running through and through there. Now if you want to skip the whole journey, there's a helicopter directly from Pahalgam to Panchatarni. So you can do this in a single day, directly from Pahalgam to Panchatarni here. Now Panchatarni से, but the last 6 kilometers जो है, you have to do it by foot or on pony. Like people might be thinking कि हमने helicopter से किया, but last 6 kilometer तो उनको चलना ही है, which is also quite difficult. So then you climb up, then you can see naturally formed shivling every year. That is just a God miracle. That is God's way of being immortal in front of us. Then there's a small Parvati ji also, and then there's Ganpati ji. and the iconic Trishul of and Damru of Shiv Bhagwan also we have kept there. Now the story says like जब शिव भगवान पार्वती जी को ये कहानी बोल रहे थे तब 2 अंडे भी वहाँ पे हैच हो रहे थे. 2 eggs were hatching. So those 2 pigeons, white pigeons, also heard the story and they became immortal. So it is said that if you see those 2 pigeons, you are supposed to be very lucky. So this is the first pigeon here. Now if you have to find the second pigeon so that your yatra becomes very good. So if you can see very properly, this is the second pigeon. 1 second. Yeah. This is the second pigeon here behind the barricade. So in the journey we could see one small pigeon there, white pigeon, but we unfortunately couldn't see the other. So this is the whole Amarnath Yatra. It was a once in a lifetime experience and I hope you all also enjoyed it. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Har Har Mahadev.